Junkfoodtaster.com, and here we go, my beautiful friends. In this short video I will check out the new Red Bull Winter Edition, and the flavor is Fig Apple. So I've got two others here. So original Red Bull is sort of my favorite, and I also like the green edition. I also or it's very fancy, the white edition. And let's see how this compares. Yeah, got a dark green, so Christmas vibes, I don't know. And it got, as you can see, an anti-chef sticker. So it needs to be protected. It's so good. Alrighty, 11 grams of sugar. Let's do it. Here we go. It's chilled now, and I pour it into the glass. Looks like apple juice. I just think to myself, do I know how fig tastes like? It looks like normal Red Bull, or like a little bit, I don't know, a bit more yellow. So, let's make a little thumbnail and let's try it out. Anyway, I promise you, it's the first time I'm tasting it. And I don't know. I would say it tastes like Christmas. And it tastes strange. I would say this is failed experiment. The apple taste inside, I guess it's mature, tastes a little bit like cider. There is a strange chemical off taste. And I don't know. The fig taste, it seems, is very dry. Dry and old, the fig taste. So I cannot recommend it. It's a joke. Fail. Here we go, it's fail. So just keep buying the original. Yeah, Red Bull is sort of experts in messing the flavors up. So they need a lot of attempts to get one right. So they got this one right. The cactus fruit, this tastes good, but this I don't know. So, but I guess this is all around. So many of you have tried it. Let me know what you think about it. I will never buy it again. Accidentally, I bought two. I have to drink another one, but yeah, that's life. Thanks for watching, and see you soon, my friends.